The king will be called Papa. Our symbol will not be, because this is the symbol of Napak. It is the tortoise. I will not be called this time with this symbol. The symbol they got is a cow to unite all the Karamoja.
Seunoke papa ngasubani Peter Day nyesida yawa dodanar kanide jasa tekirini nudo Karamoja.
The Karamoja communities are divided, and this matter came out and it started on the 19th of last month, 2023. Something that started like a peace consultative meeting graduated, and it has taken Karamoja by storm. It has hit the headlines. This aspect of Karamoja electing a king has created rift in the region.
Aradigang tosicha kesi Karamoja dati aja utekede ngare no nile inono kech. Ebaka sipolo kebe abuda tukotona itunga. Luma mejena sim isubure kisa kopora ina peta no aneja kesi ibore yen mamde jo.
Idea of a presiding elder which is identified as rule, popular participation would be good. Actually, that is the ideal. But Karamojong in Matany, the 8th edition, put it as a proposal to be taken to the people, and then a feedback be brought in the next cultural event. Then from there, if it is adapted, then that will be the starting point.
We needed to sit together, and we had planned this in a park during the cultural day, that on the next celebration in Karenga, people now will come with all the reports and say this is what we discussed, and ask everybody when people are all there. Then people will say yes or no, because we have to harmonize all these things.
What was done that day was an attempt to abort this idea, which is still maiden, which is still forming, and which is still taking shape.
There is a group who was doing some write-up, which will be followed up by the elders. All these things, and I think to my thinking, is that somebody has hacked this thing when it was still in the process.
Kwa nada bunge tena ipolo kaneo Karamoja kesi de koto sa jenun itunga luda ya itosa inapeta nom kanuke sa puchonor nepe kanyunu nuda itupito nom araito ne kotos kesi aja uteke de ngare no nile inono.
Who arranged the meeting that culminated into purported king of Karamoja? Where did that person or association or that entity get the funding? It is of our concern, because I learned that a few days later, there was an anniversary in our neighborhood in Teso, and the purported king was sponsored and delivered to that function. What were the interests of this person?
Who initiated the meeting could meet us, because we would like to know what was in their mind. Others are saying it was a security meeting, but now the king is one. Rupa and Tepe are fighting every day, one family. Where is the king?
The idea of kingship was well an hijack. It is the process that we are on, a process of about a central figure. Either it will be a committee or it will depend on the General Assembly. For now, we don't encourage any parallel system, but come on board. Come on board and we share. After all, it's the same intention, to make Karamoja settled.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.